Hey YouTube, Washington State Wild Gold here, getting ready to go out to the Luce River again. Today I got a partner with me. My grandson Liam and me are going to go out today and get some gold. It's Liam's first time. Here's Liam here. Say hi, Liam. Are you excited?
Yeah.
You gonna get some gold?
Yep.
Right on. So we're gonna go down the trail and get to the spot. We'll get all set up, and once we get set up, we'll get back with you and show you some gold. So back in a flash, as Jason would say.
Back in the flash.
Okay, we're here. Same spot. Same gold. Gonna go down the trail a little bit here this time. Scrape up some newer stuff. River's really dropping. My rock is gone again, but I can see it over there in the water, so I can get it. And back in a flash. Back in a flash, Liam.
Back in the flash.
Is it going? Okay. All right. I'm going to show you what we need to do here. So all of the gold is in the top 6 inches. It's all flood gold. So you come along and you find a spot where there's good gravel. And this is good gravel in the middle of the trail here. This is called a classifier. And it's going to take all these big rocks and it's going to let them pass through, or stay on one side, and all the gold pass through. So you just dig up a nice pile of it. See how this gravel is kind of black and small? That's the stuff that you want to look for. That's the stuff that's holding on to the gold. And I'm just going to do a small pan right now to show you. So then we'll take it down to the water. I gotta find me a good rock. Okay. Now you want to get all the good dirt through the classifier into your pan. So you put it underwater and you shake it back and forth right over your pan. And all the gold and all the small dirt falls through the screen. And then all the stuff that you don't want is on top, and you just get rid of it. Then you end up with all the same sized rocks and smaller. Now this is the important part. You got to shake it up really good, and you got to do it while it's underwater. So you get it under there, go in circles, go back and forth in circles. Now it's letting all that gold, if there's any in there, settle down on the bottom. And you stop shaking when you got about like that, and you want the top rocks to come off. So you use the water. I want you to watch them, okay, because I'm showing you. Use the water to take off the top rocks because they're light, and the gold has already settled down in the bottom of the pan. So you do that a little bit, and then you got to bring it back and shake it up again. Really good. Slowly tilt it forward. Stop, and bring out the light rocks again. And as you get down to less and less, you'll start to see this black sand show up. And the black sand is heavier than the rest of the rocks, but not as heavy as the gold. So if you see black sand, that means there's a chance you could be where there's gold at, because heavy things settle together. And gold and black sand are both heavy. I'm going to kind of go a little fast here just to get it done so we can get you panning. But I want you to pay attention to how I'm doing this, because this is what you got to do to keep that gold in the bottom. You don't want it to escape. See how just the blonde sand is coming out? Pretty soon I'll show you and you'll see nothing but, you're starting to see some black sand show up here, but you can get better. Can you see the screen good?
Yeah.
Okay. Almost to the point where we're going to check it now. See how it's turning black? Okay. Okay, now give it a little bump and a shake. Oh, look at that. What do you see? Right here. Gold. Gold, gold, gold. Do you see it? Where's your snuffer bottle? Okay, so we want to fill it with water. Not all the way, but now you notice how the water goes past it and moves the black sand, but the gold stays in one spot?
Yeah.
That's because it's so much heavier.
My boots are full of water.
Even though it's just little pieces. So you give it a squeeze, and then you put it up to it, and you just let it suck it up. See if there's any more in there.
Yep.
You see some? Yep. It's got to be underwater when you suck it. There, got it. Well, that wasn't bad. That was 6 pieces or 7 pieces. And now if you look in your snuffer bottle, here, I'll hold this and you look in there. Look right there. There's a piece of gold right there.
Yeah.
You see it?
So.
Yep, because it's heavy.
Okay, and then.
So that was your panning lesson. You think you can try it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, my boots full of water.
Well, so much for the boots. Okay. So that was his panning lesson. We'll see how he does. I'll be the cameraman now. And hopefully he gets some gold.
My boots are so heavy.
Back in a flash.
Just 2 more and then we're good. Okay, we're good.
Okay. I always put my tools right back in my hole. That way if I have a good pan, I know right back where to come to dig. Okay.
Okay. So tough to this. Get it wet. Right?
Mm-hmm. And then you grab the top part, yep, and you just shake it, twist it and shake it. No, you want to twist it. Underwater. Yeah, underwater. There you go. Keep on doing it until you don't see any more dirt. A little more. Okay, that should be good.
There are little cool rocks in there, but
Yeah, those are all big ones though. Don't dump it in your pan. Perfect. Let's toss that back over here. Now there's a hole in that pan. See it by your thumb?
Mm-hmm.
You want that facing you. So yeah. Okay, now get it underwater. And now shake the shit out of it. Hard, back and forth and side to side. Really fast and hard. Now keep shaking it and slowly tilt it forward as you're shaking it. Shake it hard. Hard, 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 hard. Tilt it forward till the rocks just start to pour out. Okay, now start dipping it so that the rocks come off. So you're going to want to go like this now. Now you're going to want to go like this. Yeah. You do that about 5 times. And then you turn it back, pull it all back down, and shake it all up again. Now keep shaking it and slowly tilt it forward. Keep shaking it hard, 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 hard. Okay. Now dip it. No, you never tilt it back. Always keep it tilted forward. Always keep it tilted forward. Shake it some more. Really fast. Okay. Now dip it like I showed you, so that rocks come out. There you go. There you go. That's pretty good. Okay, now pull it back and shake it up again. Side to side like that. Yep. Now start tilting it forward while you're shaking it side to side. Okay, you're doing it a little bit too hard.
a little bit too hard.
Okay, shake it side to side some more. Now this is the most important part. This is where you're going to get down to see the gold. So see the black sands starting to show up? Mm-hmm. Okay, you want to tilt it forward and still get rid of a lot of this other colored sand. So here, let me show you real quick how to do that. You tilt it way forward and you just little small dips like that. Don't tilt it too far forward. You're doing good. Okay, now we want to bring it all back down to the floor. Bring it back down all to the bottom. Shake it. Okay, here, I'm going to show you this part here. This is important too. Get it all in one spot like this. Just barely shake it. Then you use the water to come in around like that. Mm-hmm. And slowly take off.
I see gold.
Did you see some gold?
Yeah, I already see some.
You want to bring you want to bring that stuff back. Oh, I see a piece. Don't move it too hard. See it? 3 pieces.
I see a couple more than 3. I see like 5.
Leave it tilted back like this. See it?
Mm-hmm. I see more. I see more like over here too.
Well, there's the ones over there aren't gold. They're mica. If they roll around with the water, then they're not gold. But if they sit still in one spot, when the water rolls over them like that.
There's one right there too.
Yep. Yep. Here's your snuffer bottle. Remember, it's got to be underwater. So squeeze it. Tilt it underwater. You got it. Suck that one up. Squeeze. Suck that one up. Yep. Mm-hmm. Let me see this again here.
Nice. You can see like my feet. Ah, I didn't know. Like the feet were soaked, but I don't care. Is that it?
Yep, that was it. But high five, bud. Got your first wild gold all by yourself. Success. 2 pieces of gold in his first pan. And he did the whole thing himself. Well, you saw it. So I'm going to turn you off and we're going to pan a little more, and when we see something special we'll show you, and if we have anything special to say we'll get back with you. Otherwise, back in a flash.